Tim? Yep. How do you feel about our meeting today?
The meeting was very cool because the locals are meeting foreigners, and I meet locals. I really like the experience because they want to improve the English skills, and I meet the local things and what they are thinking about people from other countries, something like that.
And you want to stay here for a long time?
Yeah, I want to stay, but I need also to study again at the Netherlands, and I have other plans to visit other countries. But Vietnam is very cool to travel.
And we're going to do so many meetings. Do you want to join with us and speak with Vietnamese local students?
Really. I want to help them, and they can maybe help me with some things that I want to figure out or whatever. It's very nice. It's a nice project.
So do you think that our students going to be really improved for in a short time?
I think because I think also they are more motivated because people from other countries are coming. It's a lot more interesting to talk with them, I think, than maybe Vietnam people. Because also you can talk about the countries, what's the difference about the countries in compare with Vietnam or whatever.
So how many times a week do you think that we should open this meeting?
I think when you have the size of the group of us today, then you can open every day. But then you need also have the same size of the group. When you have a very small group, it does make sense a lot.
Thank you very much, and I'm glad to meet you today.
I'm also, and have a nice evening.
It's my honor to invite you to come and join with us every day.
Nice. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.